Okay, today we're visiting Beit Mirsim. This is a very large mound with two major cities. One is from the Middle Bronze, Canaanite period, and the second is Iron Age 1 and 2. We're on the south side. You can see the height of the city wall. During the Iron Age, they built the city wall above the previous wall, the earlier wall from the Bronze period, and made it with a casemate wall, which is two parallel walls with casemate chambers between the two walls. Behind it, additional residential and industrial buildings. New excavations are being held here on the south side. You can see that pile of ground there, extracted from those excavations. We will go around the mound, and you can see that this city wall totally circles the city. Very high wall. See the height of the wall, something like 7 meters and several meters wide. And again, it's two walls of the earlier walls, which is the Bronze period, and above it are the walls of the Iron Age. There's two gates in this city, a smaller one on the western side, more for, I would say, small passages of persons and animals. And the main gate is over there on the eastern side. It's a very wide, formidable wall gate, and we'll go and see that gate. Okay, let's walk into the city then. This is the southern side of Beit Mirsim. See these huge walls. That surround the city. The huge wall. The city was protected by a very high and wide wall, and what we see here is the glacis and the dry moat. And it's 7 meters wide. This is the casemate wall. There's two parallel walls and chambers between them. This section has been recently excavated. Now, behind the walls are additional houses. is the oil press. It is adjacent to the casemate wall. Okay, so this is on the western side of the mound, just above the city wall. There were excavations here, I think, recently. On the east side of the mound is the security wall between Israel and the Palestinian area. The wall was moved to circle the site without damaging it. And this is the northern side. See how well this city is populated as well. A lot of fallen structures. What we see mostly is the Iron Age city, one of Judea's cities. This is the northern area of the city wall. You can see how steep this is. Another section of the casemate wall. There is a cistern here. Oh, whoa. Yeah, it's another section of the casemate wall. Here they used kind of wider walls on the external side. The gate here? Okay. The one that the Assyrians breached. I think the gate is more over there.
It's here.
Is it? Where?
You have to make 5 more steps.
Ah, 4 steps. More steps.
Now you'll see the gate.
Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah.
There.
Yeah.
You have to stand by there.
Wow, impressive. Wow.
ואיזה מכשול מים, כאילו? מכשול מים, שמים עליו
שואל מה?
מים, נגיד...
Eastern Gate area.
זה ממש חומת סוגרים קלאסית.
But see how high it is, this wall.
It's very impressive.
What is it, Ronnie? Date?
Handle.
What date?
Date. Probably iron.
Yeah. Makes sense. It doesn't have any Potter's
Trademark?
mark.
No.
No.
Look at this. Walk uphill. Go down. Go here. Go that way, that way. Under you. Yeah. There. Oh, this is a very impressive well.
Any water inside?
No, pigeons.
Only pigeons.
Only pigeons.
Okay, and the width of this cistern is 1 meter or something like that. Yeah. This is half a meter. So
Half a meter.
yeah, so it's 1 meter, and it looks like it was reconstructed as modern.
Modern fix-ups.
Modern, yeah. Yeah.
Very impressive.
Okay, you can hear the pigeons inside, huh?
So these stones are part of the hill, the original hill. So the hill was made on stone. Bedrock. Yeah.
Yeah, we can see the bedrock. There's no water inside.
And under the bedrock, they carved the well.
What is it? Some kind of a weight. Yeah. This could be part of a oil press weight. We're just under the city wall on the eastern side. city wall.
נשמע כמו ירי, לא?
Nice one, me.
Back to the southern area of the city, where renewed excavations revealed the casemate wall and the residential and industrial area behind it. See the external wall. The casemate wall.
For more information, media, and details on this site and other Holy Land locations, please visit BibleWalks.com.